In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Forms ownership from one account to another. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the form and that you've opened the form in edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the form questions and the toolbar across the top. If you're in a different account or viewing only mode, switch to the owner account first so the sharing options appear correctly. Start by heading to the top of the editor and clicking the Share or Add Collaborators icon. Depending on your layout, this may look like a person with a plus sign or a button labeled Share. This opens the collaboration window where you control who can access the form and what they're allowed to do. In the field labeled Add People and Groups, carefully enter the email address of the account you want to move ownership to. Take a moment to double-check spelling and the domain, especially if you're sending this to a work or school account. Some organizations limit sharing across domains, so accuracy here helps avoid permission issues later. After entering the email, set the permission level to editor. This part is crucial. Only users with editor access can be made owners later, and giving viewer access won't be enough. If you see options like viewer, commenter, or editor, choose editor. If you don't see editor as an option, your organization may have restricted this feature. Contact your administrator if that happens. Once the email is in place and the permission is set to editor, click Send. This immediately shares the form with the other account and sends them a notification. They'll be able to open the form from the email link or from their Google Drive once they accept access. At this point, you've given the recipient the level of access required for an ownership handoff. The exact ability to finalize ownership can depend on your organization's policies and whether the form is stored in My Drive or a shared drive. If you encounter a message that ownership can't be changed, common across different domains, reach out to your admin for guidance. You can return to this same share window anytime to review who has access and adjust roles as needed. That's it. You've prepared your Google form for a smooth ownership transfer by adding the new account with editor access and sending the invitation. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any section while you work through your own form.